Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable editing on Google Sheets. So let's get started by open your Google document, Google Sheets program. So I'm using this web version. So try to search your file, or you can start with new file in blank spreadsheet here. And this is the file that I already made before. So if you wanna share this document and can editable to your friend or your team, you can do it in here. You can tap share button here so that your friend can edit this document. You can tap share button. Before your friend or before you share with your friend, you can tap the setting button at the top of this a pop-up settings. This one, you can check or uncheck. If you check this, by default, editors can change permission and share. But if you uncheck, editors can change permission or share. And then the second option, viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy if you check this. Or if you uncheck this box, viewers and commenters will not see the option to download, print, or copy. Let's get back and share with one of your friends, for example, and make sure you check this editor and send to your friend, or just copy this link and share with your friend by email or by other application that support link share. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.